Today I'll be talking about the prostate health in males. So when you have a patient who is 50 to 60 years of age and he walks into the clinic and he complains of repeated urination and a constant urge to pass urine, especially at bedtime, and in spite of that he feels that some amount of urine remains behind. Now this is a direct indication that could be an increase in the size of prostate. Now, over a period of time, as a male, as the aging happens or because of the hormonal changes, there is some normal physiological enlargement of prostate. But when it exceeds the normal levels, which is called as a prostatomegaly, now because of which it presses upon the urethra and the person feels as if he is not able to pass urine completely, and because of which there could be residual amount of urine which remains in the bladder, what we call as the post-voidal urine. Anything beyond 50 to 100 ml of residual urine, invites infections in the bladder. Now, to differentiate, meaning to set up a diagnosis, it's very important to know the age of the person. So, if he is 50 to 60 years, a painless urge to pass urine, the diagnosis would go in favor of prostate megaly. But if the age group is less, below the age of 30, it could be because of the obstruction of, because of the stone which is lodged at the ureter or the neck of the bladder, which is causing the obstruction, or because of the trauma to the urethra, there could be adhesions and stricture of the urethra. And one important thing that we should understand, in case the patient finds there is blood in the urine or in the semen and it is a painless urge to urinate, then definitely we have to go for further investigations, find out the serum PSA levels, which is the prostatic antigen serum levels, and anything which that the PSA levels are beyond 4 ng per ml, then definitely it's a point of concern if you have blood in the urine or in the semen. So it has to be thoroughly investigated in terms of malignancy. Very important thing, because of the post-voidal urine, if it is more, that is more than 100 ml of residual urine is there in the bladder in spite of passing. So if there is thickening of the bladder wall, then again is a point of concern. So all of these are the probable diagnosis that we talked about, that is the prostatomegaly, thickening of the bladder wall, urethral stricture, and malignancy of prostate. So depending upon the age and the symptoms, we need to diagnose and set the treatment accordingly.